Ever wonder why choosing the right shampoo is vital for your hair? It's a cornerstone of hair care, and selecting the appropriate product is crucial. Ingredients and product types matter greatly. Choosing the right shampoo is more than just a random pick. It's about understanding your hair and its needs. But what exactly is shampoo, and why did it become so important? To answer that, let's delve into the past. The term shampoo originates from the Hindi word champo, meaning to massage or knead. It was initially a blend of herbs and natural ingredients used to cleanse and care for hair. Over centuries, shampoo has evolved into a scientifically formulated product that not only cleanses but also nourishes the hair and scalp, addressing various hair concerns. So, shampoo isn't just a cleaning agent, it's a hair care staple that's evolved through history. Remember, one size doesn't fit all, especially with hair types and shampoos. Whether your hair is dry, oily, normal, colored, fine, or thick, there's a shampoo out there designed just for you. Dry hair thrives on nourishing shampoos, while oily hair benefits from clarifying formulas. Color-treated hair needs shampoos that protect the dye, and fine hair can be boosted with volumizing products. For the thick and luscious, a hydrating shampoo works wonders. The right shampoo can make a world of difference to your hair health. It's time to peek at what's inside your shampoo bottle. Common ingredients include sulfates, known for their deep cleaning properties, but they can strip hair of natural oils. Parabens, used as preservatives, have been linked to health concerns. Silicones give that smooth, shiny finish but can build up over time. Natural alternatives are emerging, like essential oils and botanical extracts. These can provide similar benefits without potential downsides. Knowing your shampoo's ingredients can help you make informed hair care decisions. Now that you're armed with all this information, what's next? Let's recap. Understanding your hair type, recognizing key ingredients, and proper shampoo usage are essential steps towards healthier hair. Avoid common mistakes and misconceptions for optimal results. Remember, your hair is unique and deserves the best care. Choose wisely, treat kindly, and enjoy the benefits of healthy, beautiful hair.